In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable location in Google Chrome so you can allow location access when websites need it. Let's start with why this matters. Many sites, like maps, food delivery, or local weather services, work best when they know roughly where you are. If location is blocked in Chrome, you might see errors, missing features, or websites that simply can't give you relevant local results. The good news is, turning location on, or adjusting it, is very simple once you know where to look. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the Chrome browser itself, not another browser like Firefox or Edge, because the settings we're going to use are specific to Chrome. At the top right corner of Chrome, look for the 3 vertical dots. This is the Chrome menu. Click on those dots to open the menu. From this drop-down, move your cursor down and click on Settings. This will open a new tab with all of Chrome's main options. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, you'll see a list of sections. Look for the one labeled Privacy and Security. Click on that to open the privacy options. This is where Chrome manages things like cookies, site permissions, and security controls. Within Privacy and Security, find and click on Site Settings. Site settings control what websites are allowed to do, such as using your camera, sending notifications, or accessing your location. Now scroll down until you see the section named Permissions. Under this section, click on Location. This is the page where you can manage how Chrome handles location requests. At the top, you'll see an option that usually says something like, Sites can ask for your location. If you want websites to be able to request your location, make sure this option is turned on. When this is enabled, Chrome will not share your location automatically. Instead, it will show a small pop-up when a site asks for it, letting you choose Allow or Block each time. Below that, you may see lists of sites that are allowed or blocked from using your location. If a specific site isn't working correctly, check whether it appears under the blocked list. If it does, you can click the trash icon or change it back to Ask, so Chrome will prompt you again next time you visit. Once you've adjusted these settings, close the tab, go back to your website and refresh the page. If the site needs your location, Chrome should now show a prompt at the top of the screen asking for permission. Choose Allow, and the site will be able to use your location as needed.